It'll be a chance to make some new friends, create some new rivalries, and an opportunity to push ourselves. Hopefully the higher level of competition will cause us to rise to the moment and get better. The feedback I've been getting so far this summer is that everyone's training well, so I'm really excited to see how much we've improved. For the women, I'm looking forward to a healthy Kim Heine. She was injured a bit of last year. And the progress that the sophomore class can make. They're a pretty talented group. Last year was their baptism, learning the ropes. This year I expect them to be better. For the men, I'm looking forward to the addition of the two Jacks. Jack Warman, a freshman who was a highly successful high school runner. Jack Mader, who left the program for a while and came back and now is running great, had a great track season. And in general for the men, they had a great track season, so the confidence and momentum we can build off the track season, I think is really going to give us the missing ingredients that we didn't have last year.